Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don't talk, sir. The government don't give the security agencies the work to tackle courtism for the state. Oga Governor yarn tori people this one after he meets with the security agencies for Government House, Benin City. Governor Okpebholo can talk say courtism not dey acceptable and say the security agencies go work to make sure say anybody where they involved for violence and any criminal wahala for the state go face the law.
During my campaign, I keep telling you that security is very important. The issue of courtism in Edo State is not acceptable. We do not want to lose anybody. We are firm with this and have all the security agents to go ahead about their business, hit anybody that is hitting people down, and we will have no mercy on any criminal that wants to kill our people. Edo cannot be safe for criminals. We'll pursue them and smoke them out wherever they are.
For your own side, Commissioner of Police, Edo State Police Command CP Peter Ozigi Umoru, talk said the governor don't promise to support the security agencies to make sure say Edo State dey peaceful and better for the people.
His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, has just called security meeting. We have just finished. We have discussed areas of concern and our efforts so far. He has assured us that he's going to give us support and is going to make sure that Edo State is a place for everyone to live peacefully.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.